In this video you will learn how you can create an account with ChatGPT. So if you want to use ChatGPT, you must create an account with it. So, for this just open your favorite browser. I am using Google Chrome here. And simply type ChatGPT. Open the first link, that is openai.com. This is the official website for ChatGPT. And here you have to click on Try ChatGPT. OK. Now here you have two options, login or sign up. We will proceed with sign up. Here you have to type your email address. Click on Continue. Now here you have to type the password. Click on Continue. Now you will receive a verification link on your email address. So you have to verify your email ID, OK. So just open Gmail. Sign in with the same Gmail address as you have provided here. OK. It's asking for the OTP. OK. Here we have the Verify Your Email. Click on this button. OK, now it's asking for first name and last name. Provide your date of birth. Now here you have to verify your phone number. OK. Now click on Send Code via SMS. Once you enter the code, you have to again go to ChatGPT because now your account is ready to use. Click on Try ChatGPT now here. This time we will proceed with login because now we have an account with ChatGPT. So let me enter email address and password. OK. We have to click on Next. Again. Next. And done. OK, so here is the interface of ChatGPT. Now in the next video, we will discuss about its interface and features.